Hello everyone, good morning. We are from Group 1 and we will do group peer teaching about material trigonometric function using unit circle. Before we do group peer teaching, let us introduce our members group. I am Faqihatul Faizah.
I am Mohammad Wildan Al-Ashar.
I am Ajeng Shindi Faniya.
I'm Praditya Putri Agusty.
I'm Anggun Kusuma Wardani.
Okay, thank you. Now we start the group peer teaching.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Thank you. I'm fine too. Thank you. Okay. Before starting our lesson, please the leader of the class lead the prayer.
Okay guys, before we start, let's go to the begin.
Is anyone unable to attend? You don't know? Okay. Well, I'm checking your attendance. Please prepare your stationery and books, okay? Aldo Purnama Dudan, Syafrilia Rahmatika. Alhamdulillah, everyone is here. So, what have you learned last week? Who still remember?
About the graph of trigonometric function.
Yes, that's right. About draw trigonometric function using the unit circle. Okay, now everyone, look at this picture. Okay, for example, Jane is climbing a mountain. The horizontal line is represent the time in hours, and the vertical line is represent the height of the mountain in kilometers. So, how long do you think Jane can reach the top of the mountain? How long? Who can answer? Okay, Febri?
An hour and a half.
Okay, nice. Give applause for Febri. Okay, nice. That's right. An hour and a half. So, if we know Jane can reach the top in an hour and a half, how high this mountain? How high this mountain? No one know? How high this mountain? No one know? Okay, it's okay guys. Alright, it's okay. In this lesson we will learn about how to know the maximum value of a function, or in this case, the height of a mountain.
Okay, thank you. Today we will discuss about how to determine the maximum value and the minimum value of the trigonometric function and analyze the graph change. You guys will be paired with your friends to discuss about the problem or activity in the student worksheet. After you discuss with your pair, you guys will question about the result of discussion in front of the class, and then Mr. Wildan will justify about what you guys presented.
Okay, now I will share the student worksheet to all of you. Okay, have all of you got the student worksheet? Okay, now I'll ask one of you to read the instruction of the student worksheet. Okay, I'll please read the instruction.
First, read the flyer according to your need to make it easier to study this module. Second, read and understand the material in its difficulty. Third, make small notes about terms or formula you don't understand to ask the teacher. Fourth, read and understand the summary of the material that contains important points that refer to the assessment of learning objective. 5. Do all the activities and questions that have been provided for this learning activity to count your understanding of the material.
Okay, thank you also. Page 13, we will study about the change about the continuity. 13. And then on page
on page 16, we will observe the difference of the change of a constant A, and then on page 20, we will observe the change about the constant B, and then on page 24, we will observe the change about the constant C.
Now, to start the learning, we must divide the class with into several groups. Okay, maybe stand up and with your friend in group. Okay, before we start the working on worksheet, I will give you finish the working on worksheet. Maybe do you have any question, guys? If you have any question, please raise hand. Okay, nothing. Now you can working your worksheet individually with your groups. Maybe you can divide the activity with your friends, and I will give you 1 hour to working on worksheet. Question or problem, you can raise hand and I will give you answer. Hello guys, attention please. Have you already finished your worksheet?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, thank you because 1 hour has passed. Now we will start the discussion about the result discussion in respective group, and we will start about activity 5.
Do you have finished your student worksheet? Yes. Group 4, please come here, present your work with your partner. Okay, and the others, look at your student worksheet. Page 13, activity 5. Do you understand my instruction, guys? Yes. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Activity 5, the constant D. Look at the picture. What is the difference between graph y less than 0?
You finish?
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you. Stay here. Okay. How about the other group? Do you have different answer? No. Same like group 4?
Yes.
Okay, good job group 4. Okay, do your seat. Focus on group 4. In this activity, we can know that this is the original graph. The graph will go up if the constant g is greater than 0. And then the original graph will go down if the constant g is less than 0. Do you understand, guys? Yes. Okay. Any questions so far? No. Okay. Okay. If you have a question or do you have a different answer, please raise your hand. Okay? Okay. Okay. Can we move to the next activity?
Yes.
Okay. Now look at your student worksheet, activity 6. Who won? Present the activity 6.
Finally, from group 6.
Raise your hand.
Fine.
Oh, nice. Okay, the others? The second graph, what is the amplitude? Okay, nice. Okay. Give applause for group 5. question so far? Okay, Jane.
I want to ask, can we now amplitude through the equation without rounding graph?
Okay, that's a good question. Good job, Jane. That's the point, guys. We can see the amplitude without drawing the trigonometric function. We can see from this equation y equals to sin A sin B x plus c plus d. The A is represent amplitude. Do you understand, guys? Yes.
You can, guys, have to representation your result of discussion in group. You can, guys, raise hand, please. Is anyone? Okay. Maybe from group 7. Please come forward, group 7. Presentation your result to Agusty.
Y equals to x plus
Okay, thank you. Maybe there are any difference from other groups? Is right side? Oh, nothing. The next question. Y sin x plus 2. How the value of period?
period sin
Yes, degree. The period value of y sin x is?
2, 3.
Yes, good. Maybe other different answer. You can guys have to right side. Okay, thank you. Thank you, group 7. Please come back here. Please open for constancy. Page 24. Is anyone group to explain the result of discussion? Yes. Maybe please come forward and explain your result in front of the class. Okay, maybe other group have the different answer about this question. Present, please. No, please. Okay. Thank you, group 6. Please give group 6 applause. Last page. Yes. You can remember the conclusion about the period and the change of constancy. If nothing question about this activity, we can move the next activity.
It is about decimal family, minimum family, amplitude, and period. Okay, now I will appoint one group to present of your work to other group. Please group 1 to present the page 27 of your work to other friend. And next, from the graph above, it can be seen that the period is 3 and the amplitude of the graph of the function's way equal to 2 sin x is 2. And the next graph, the graph above, is the graph of the functions way equal to 2 sin 3x x by 3. From the graph image, first, maximum value equal to 5 and minimum value equal to 1, and period is 300 MCT or 2p and MCT is 100. And next conclusion, from the graph above is the general form of the time function, which is expressed by y equal to x equal to 6 and correct result is the maximum value equal to after 3 and by 2 and the maximum value First of all, answer on that one. Do you have any detail from group 1 answer? Okay, so group 1, you go close to group 1. Okay, next question. Please thank group 3 to present of the result of your work to other friends.
The graph you work is a graph of the function y is minus 2 cos dx. From the graph of a, the maximum value is 2, the minimum value is minus 2, the period is 2p over d is 2p over 3, the amplitude is 2.
Okay, and the conclusion from the graph above is the general form of the constant aside the constant the maximum value is equal to and the minimum value is equal to minus 1 from group 3. Do you have any different answers from group 3? Okay, the result of group 3 belongs to group 3. Guys, because all the question on the student worksheet has been discussed, now the teachers want to give a brief explanation regarding so that you will really understand about the material.
Activity in the student worksheet, Mr. Wildan will justify about the graph change based on the A and B constant. And now look at the screen that I presented in front of the class. Okay, the graph in the screen is graph of sinus function. If we change the A constant, it will affect the value of amplitude. And if we change the D constant, it will affect the vertical translation. Okay, let's try to change the A constant.
Okay, now I will give you a reinforcement regarding the shift in the graph caused by changes in the constant B and C. First, we will discuss the change in constant B. Suppose I have a graph of y equals 6x, and then I have graph y equals 4x. Then we first remember about the notion of period. Period is the distance from which the graph of trigonometric function repeats itself from the initial reference point to the first iteration point. And then, what is the difference? What happened about the change y equals x and y equals 4x? What happened?
Even is a horizontal shrinking will actually.
Okay, it will a horizontal shrinking, and then suppose I have y in half x. What is the period of y equals in half x?
40.
Yes, that's right. The period is 4p. Contrast with the graph y equals in x. What is the difference?
Will occur a horizontal stretching.
Yes, that's right. Will occur a horizontal stretching. And last, I have y equals in negative half x. What is the period of this graph?
The period is same.
Same.
Yeah.
4p.
Yeah.
Yes. Alright. The conclusion is if absolute b less than 1, there will be a horizontal stretching, and if absolute b greater than 1, there will be a horizontal shrinking. If b less than 0, the graph is also reflected to the y-axis. So
In the picture, I have graph y equals sin x and y equals sin x plus b. What is the difference? What is the difference? Yes?
The graph shifts to the left as far as p units.
Okay, the graph shifts to the left as far as p unit. And then, suppose I have a graph y equal sin x minus b. In the picture, I have graph y equals sin x and y equals sin x minus b. What changes happen? What changes happen? Yes.
The graph shifts to the right by an absolute distance of units.
Okay, good. The graph shifts to the right by an absolute distance of c units. Okay, the conclusion is the graph will translating horizontally to the left c unit if c greater than 0 and to the right absolute c unit if c less than 0. Okay. Any question, everyone? No. Okay, good.
Okay guys, after we are ready learning about the 5 activity, now you guys finish your assessment paper, don't forget. Have you guys already finished the assessment paper? Okay, I will come and take back the assessment paper one by one of you. Please give me your assessment paper.
Because all of you guys have been amazing today, I will give you a present. So, guess which group will get the prize? 4. Congratulations for group 5. For group 5. For group 5. This is your present. Give applause for group 5. The others, don't be discouraged because in the next meeting we'll more prizes. Okay? Give spirit, okay? Yes.
Guys,
No, okay. Because it's nothing to ask now. I want you to make the conclusion about material for today's lesson. Who wants to convey the conclusion about the material for today's lesson? Please raise your hand. Okay, healthy.
Okay, the graph of trigonometric function can be divided with the change of constant.
Okay, alright. Teacher Healthy, please give applause to Healthy. Okay, for the exercise section, page 30 is used to tasks at home. And then next week, we'll be discuss about this. Okay, guys, understand? Understand this. Okay, good job. For the next week, we will learn about determine trigonometric function-based function graph. So I hope you learn about this material. Okay, because the time is turning about to end, I just left a message to you. Keep the spirit of learning and don't forget to pass the exercise lesson. Okay, please the class leader to lead the prayer.
okay, thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.